n'obushagi kurwa omwihanga rya Canada okurabira omu kitongore kirkurwanirira eby'obuhanga kya World Wide Fund for Nature WWF, ekitongore kya Uganda Wildlife Authority bakatandikaho project erikumanywa nka Climate Adaptation and Protected Areas. Project egi neha abatuura omu kukora n'amarindiro g'enyamaishwa emirimo etari emwe n'emwe barikutunga akasiimo karinganiire.
The interventions have been diverse in all these parks because climate has affected these parks differently, and there are different interventions, different approaches actually. So in Rwenzori National Park, we are doing restoration of degraded landscapes.
Project egi eri omu marindiro ashatu agarukushanga omu kyanga kya Great Virunga Landscape agarimu Queen Elizabeth National Park, Rwenzori Mountains National Park hamwe na Bwindi Impenetrable National Park.
Restoring the vegetation that existed before to ensure that animals have what to feed on, to ensure that amidst the challenges of climate change, animals have what to feed on, are able to remain, and even the ecosystems are preserved in their natural state because there's what was there before. That's what we want to see. That's why we are doing all these interventions in these protected areas.
Omuri Queen Elizabeth National Park abatuura baheririre nibahabwa omurimo ogw'okukura omwata entahirizo ogurikumanywa nka karemanjojo barikutunga akasiimo karinganiire.
Kiine amawa, kiine emizi miringwa, kigumire, okukikura nikyetaaga obwire, nikishumita abantu, so tikintu anyway okuwakyuraho ni karemanjojo. Kukikweza kukura kikwatanisa omwanya tiine okurabamu ekikooko, tiine ekikooko kikurabamu, tiine omuntu orikurabamu. At the end of the day oshanga ebikooko byagenda byaruga omwanya n'abantu bo bonka tibakuza omwanya.
Ubwa hati aba baherize kura omwanya gurikwingana hectares 200 omuri Rwenzori Mountains Park. Abatuura nibakoragana n'irindiro eri okubyara emiti emyanya yayo cibwa omuriro barikukozesa ensigo z'emiti y'obuhangwa ezirikumanywa nka wildlings.
So once we destroy the forest, you have actually chased away the animals because they'll have no food in that area. And remember, our visitors come to see animals. So if animals are not there, our visitors have not seen them, what message do they take back?
Tuduzi mubatubanira emekawo bamatuletera WWF bamatuletera kapa esaheno tunene IISD Canada hati aba bakatutwala butunga mubyangulakulano muhambirira obuhangwa abo bamabiri tuwetitama bukutsibu.
George Busingor senior wade n'omwirindiro rya Rwenzori nagira ngu eki kibahwerire cyangwa okugaruzaho hectares ezirikuhingura 200 zayo cibwa omuriro gw'omwishwa emyaka y'enyimaho.
Actually that was very good idea. They had to use the neighboring communities, the local people in the parishes neighboring Rwenzori Mountains National Park for labor. All this work that I'm talking about, the restoration of the 447 hectares was done by the people neighboring the park.
As we started working here and earning, we were able to save, and now we have a lot of money that our community are surviving on. Whenever they get a challenge, they would come and borrow from that money. Secondly, this work that we did in the national park, if you would be given that kind of work, you cannot afford to make it alone. But as a community, we are able to cover a lot of land, a lot of kilometers in the national park.
Kandi ekindi n'abantu abo kucenga ekiri kugenda mu mesho omukururano hagati n'abantu na park abe bijuma bibari kureta umuntu kitukora bize shango uri kurebera umusirigwa uhariya uri kurebera kijuma cya uhariya mweno buri muntu wena abo kwijumbira muri ikora ya pipu abantu bona tabacayine amesho go kureba kahe mihamba kuriya.
N'obushagi kikorwa omwihanga rya Canada okurabira mu kitongore kya WWF kikwatanise n'ekya Uganda Wildlife Authority project ya Climate Adaptation and Protected Areas egenderire kugaruza busi by'obuhangwa bya siskiri hamwe n'okuuma eby'ebikiriho mu kyanga kya Great Virunga Landscape omu marindiro g'enyamaishwa nka Queen Elizabeth National Park, Rwenzori Mountains National Park hamwe na Bwindi Impenetrable National Park. Aha bwa TV West ndi era akiza.